Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can set custom notification sent mail sound in Microsoft Outlook. Okay, so how can you do it? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So here you can see the apps Microsoft Outlook. Click on this app. Then after getting this interface, we need to go the left side, laptop side here. Okay, click on this. Then you have to click under time. Here you can see it's called settings. Then scrolling down, then you will get this notification option. Okay, so you can see this notification. Click on it, and finally we got this option which we are going to learn. Okay, so here you can see the last one, setting mail. Click on it, and a lot of ringtone you can notification sound. Select a ringtone for notification. Okay, so choose anyone from them. So friend, today is no more, and please subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching.